Students, in this lecture we will discuss about the basic fundamentals of computers. ISSB Preparation Academy. Build the characters. A complete notes by Muhammad Umar Bajwa. Now we will discuss our today's lecture. In this lecture we will discuss about the quiz of computer, basic quiz of computer required for navy and other field of army. The term computer is derived from Latin, who is the inventor of difference engine, Charles Babbage, father of computer, Charles Babbage, father of computer science, Alan Turing, father of personal computer, Edward Robert. CPU contains a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Controls the process of interaction between user and operating system. User interface. The first computers were programmed using machine language. Dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computer devices. Network coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called passwords. You organize files by storing them into folders. What type of source is most likely to be shared? A common source in computer network. Answer: printers with divide is required for internet connection. Modem. What a light pen. Optical unit device. UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. CD-ROM stands for compactable read-only memory. ALU is Arithmetic Logic Unit. VGA, Video Graphics Array. Video Graphics Array. IBM 1401 is second generation computer. Second generation computer is IBM 1401. MSI stands for medium scale integrated circuits. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is answer 1.44 MB. 1.44 MB. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. MICR stands for Magnetic Ink Character Reader. Next, EBCJIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Arithmetic and logic unit is the part of central processing unit. Now we will discuss in this next question what is central processing unit? Brain of computer. CPU stand for central processing unit. Central processing unit is also called a brain of computer. CAD stands for computer aided design. Junk email is also called spam. What type of computers are client computers in a client server system? Microcomputer. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the operating system. Amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called line spacing. Examples of non-numeric data is employer address. First page of website is home page. Format is appearance of type characters. When A file is saved for the first time कि जब हम पहली दफ़ा अपनी फ़ाइल को सेव करते हैं तो वो हमसे उसका नाम मांगते हैं ताकि हम दोबारा उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं आसानी से. Where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Main memory में. What do you call the program that are used to find out possible faults, nooks and their causes और उनके सबब? Diagnostic software is a program that are used to find out possible faults and their causes. Which programming language are classified as low-level languages, assembly languages? When did John Napier develop logarithm? 1614. Storage devices are tab, floppy disk, hard disk, etc. What does DMA stand for? Direct Memory Access. Who is the chief of Microsoft? Bill Gates. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. Fortran is a formula translation. Second generation computers were developed during 1956 to 1965. The computer size was very large in first generation. Chief component of first generation computer was vacuum tubes and valves. Microprocessor and switching devices are for which generation computers? Fourth generation computers. An error in software or hardware is called bug. What is alternative computer jargon for it? Glitch. What do you know about bug? किसी सॉफ्टवेयर या उसके हार्डवेयर में एरर आ जाना उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? बग. It is also a question. What is a bug? What do you know about bug? Define bug. Personal computers use a number of chips. कि उनके मेन सर्किट पर बोर्ड पर बहुत ज़्यादा चिप्स होती हैं. अभी उसने चिप्स का पूछा नहीं है लेकिन उसने ये पूछा वो कौन सा बोर्ड होता है. व्हाट इज़ द कॉमन नेम? उसके लिए क्या कॉमन नेम है फॉर सच बोर्ड्स? उन बोर्ड्स के लिए मदरबोर्ड. व्हाट इज़ मेंट बाय डेडिकेटेड कंप्यूटर विच इज़ असाइंड वन? जो सिर्फ एक काम के लिए ही असाइन किया जाता है और सिर्फ एक काम ही के लिए. When did arch rivals IBM and Apple's computers include decided to join hands? 1991. IBM stands for International Business Machines. Dash translates and executes program at runtime line by line. Interpreter. Brain of computer is called as central processing unit. एंड ऑफ स्लाइड शैडो. हमारी स्लाइड्स ख़त्म हो गई हैं. आज के हमने तकरीबन 60+ क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लिए हैं. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में भी हम 50+ क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे. अभी तक आप लोगों में से जिसने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें. इसी तरह की और नॉलेज की वीडियोस आप लोगों को मिलती रहेंगी. इस वीडियोस को लाइक ज़रूर करें और कमेंट में अप्रिशिएट करें. तब तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.